Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, privacy glass, convertible soft top. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.